7 Ways to cleanse your aura. What is the aura? The aura is believed to be a subtle field of energy that surrounds all living beings. This energy field is thought to reflect an individual's physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual states. The aura is often visualized as a multicolored glow around the body, with different colors representing various aspects of a person's health and well-being. Why is aura cleansing important? Aura cleansing is a practice aimed at clearing away negative or stagnant energy that may accumulate in the aura. Just as physical clutter can accumulate in our living spaces, negative energy can build up in the aura, affecting our mood, health, and overall sense of well-being. Regular aura cleansing helps maintain a balanced and vibrant energy field, promoting physical health, emotional stability, and spiritual clarity. Methods for aura cleansing. 1. Meditation, guided aura cleansing meditation. Use guided meditations specifically designed to cleanse and energize the aura. These meditations often involve visualizing a cleansing light or energy that surrounds and purifies the aura. Visualization techniques. Imagine a bright, healing light washing over you, clearing away any negative or stagnant energy. Visualize this light as expanding and brightening your aura. 2. Crystals, crystal healing. Certain crystals are known for their cleansing properties. Amethyst, clear quartz, and selenite are popular choices for clearing and energizing the aura. Place these crystals around you during meditation or hold them in your hands to facilitate the cleansing process. Crystal grids, create a grid of cleansing crystals around your space or on your body to amplify their effects. The arrangement of crystals can enhance their collective healing power. 3. Energy healing practices. Reiki practitioners use hands-on or distance healing techniques to clear and balance the aura. Reiki sessions involve channeling universal energy to cleanse and restore the energy field. Pranic healing. This technique involves using the hands to sweep away negative energy and restore balance to the aura. Practitioners may also use specific techniques to replenish the energy field. 4. Sound therapy, tuning forks. Sound frequencies from tuning forks can help clear and balance the aura. The vibrations from tuning forks are used to break up stagnant energy and restore harmony. Singing bowls. Tibetan singing bowls produce healing vibrations that resonate with the aura, helping to cleanse and realign it. 5. Smudging, herbal smoke, burning sage, Palo Santo, or other cleansing herbs can help purify the aura. The smoke is believed to clear away negative energy and create a protective shield around the aura. Ceremonial cleansing. Perform a smudging ceremony to cleanse your space and aura. Move the smoke around your body in a circular motion, focusing on areas where you feel dense or blocked energy. 6. Visualization and intention. Light visualization. Imagine a bright, healing light surrounding your body. Intend for this light to clear away any negative energy and infuse your aura with positive, vibrant energy. Setting intentions. Set clear intentions for what you want to release and attract. Focus on your desired outcome during your cleansing practice to amplify its effectiveness. 7. Baths and cleansing rituals. Salt baths. Epsom salts or sea salts added to a bath can help absorb and release negative energy from the aura. Soak in the bath while visualizing the salt drawing out and cleansing unwanted energies. Herbal baths. Use herbs like lavender, rosemary, or chamomile in your bath to promote relaxation and purification of the aura. Benefits of aura cleansing. 1. Emotional clarity. Cleansing the aura can help release emotional blockages, leading to greater emotional clarity and stability. It can alleviate feelings of stress, anxiety, and confusion. 2. Improved physical health. By clearing negative energy, aura cleansing can help enhance overall physical health. It may support the body's natural healing processes and boost vitality. 3. Enhanced spiritual connection. A cleansed aura can facilitate a deeper connection with your higher self and spiritual guides. It promotes a sense of inner peace and spiritual alignment. 4. Increased positive energy. Regular aura cleansing helps maintain a vibrant and positive energy field, attracting more positive experiences and opportunities into your life. Challenges and considerations. 1. Consistency. Aura cleansing should be practiced regularly to maintain a clear and balanced energy field. Consistency is key to experiencing long-term benefits. 2. Individual sensitivity. Some individuals may be more sensitive to energy shifts and cleansing processes. Pay attention to how you feel during and after your cleansing practices and adjust as needed. 3. Integration. After cleansing, take time to integrate the positive energy and insights gained. Engage in practices that support your overall well-being and personal growth. Final thoughts. Aura cleansing is a valuable practice for maintaining a balanced and vibrant energy field. By incorporating various techniques such as meditation, crystal healing, sound therapy, and smudging, you can effectively clear negative energy and enhance your overall well-being. Regular aura cleansing supports emotional clarity, physical health, and spiritual growth, leading to a more harmonious and fulfilling life. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe for more See Feel Success videos.